Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Today we are going to revise grammar chapter preposition.
Children, let's see the sentences. The boy is sitting on the bed. The book is in the bag. The cat is sleeping under the tree. He went to Cochin last week. She is standing behind the door. Children, look at these sentences. The words in bold are prepositions. The words in bold are prepositions. A preposition is a word that is used to show the relationship between two things in a sentence. Okay. Children, listen again. A preposition is a word that's used to show the relationships between two things in a sentence. Okay. Look at your book exercise. There are many fruits in the bowl. Look at the next picture. The teddy bear is on the sofa. The boys are hiding behind the bush. The boy jumps into the pool. Here, in, on, behind, into are prepositions. Okay. Children, listen. Preposition can be used to talk about time, place and movement. Okay. Children, let us look at some common preposition of each kind. Okay. Preposition of time tells us about the time when an action took place. Okay. And then preposition of place tells us where things are. Okay. Children, let's see the preposition at, on, in. Okay. The prepositions at, on and in tell us when something happens. Okay. For example, I am going home in the evening. Next example, the shop closes at 8 p.m. We have a holiday on Friday. Children, in and at can also be used to show where somebody or something do. Okay. Example, I live in Hyderabad. I will meet you at the Hyderabad railway station. Okay. Next we are going to see the preposition from, to, far. These prepositions tell us about the length of time. Okay. For example, I lived in Hyderabad from January to March. I lived in Hyderabad for 3 months. Okay. In these two sentences, the preposition tell us about the length of time. Okay. And the next one, from and to can also be used to indicate direction. Okay. Examples, she returned from Mumbai. He is going to Bhopal. Let's see our book exercise. Listen children, listen this exercise. Fill in the blanks with in, on or at. Okay. Sarah goes to school dash 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. Okay, Sarah goes to school at 8 a.m. Toby goes to school dash the morning. Children, morning, evening, afternoon. Before we use the preposition in. Okay, so Toby goes to school in the morning. Third one, we usually celebrate Durga Puja dash October, months. Okay, months before we use on. Okay, so we usually celebrate Durga Puja on October. Next one, my birthday is dash 12th May. My birthday is on 12th May. Okay. Fifth one, I saw a white owl outside my window late dash night. Children, remember always, okay, night before we must use preposition at. I have dance classes dash every Wednesday. I have dance classes in every Wednesday. And the next one, the children's park opened dash 1992. Children, listen here the year. Okay, so year before we use the preposition in. Okay, this children's park opened in 1992. Okay children, let's we revise preposition. A preposition is a word that used to show the relationships between two things in a sentence. Okay, then the prepositions tell us about time, place, directions. Okay, so preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction. Okay children, I give one exercise. Try to find the preposition in this sentence. Okay, I hope you will do.
Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.